Want to make $100 per day using a completely free AI tool? In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method, even if you're a complete beginner. No special skills. No expensive tools. Let's get started. Here's why this works. Businesses are desperate for content. Every company needs blog posts, emails, and social media content. But hiring writers is expensive. Using ChatGPT, you deliver quality content faster and cheaper. You become the bridge between AI and businesses who need content. The demand is massive, and growing every day. Step 1. Choose your service. The easiest services for beginners are blog posts and articles, social media content, email copywriting, and product descriptions. We'll focus on blog posts because they have the highest demand and best profit margins. Businesses pay $20 to $200 per article, and with ChatGPT, you can write one in 30 minutes. Step 2. Set up ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. Takes less than 2 minutes. The free version works perfectly for getting started. Once you're making money, upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for faster responses. But start free, don't spend money before you earn money. Step 3. Master these prompts. The quality of your output depends on your prompts. Here's my go-to prompt for blog posts. Write a 1,000-word blog post about your topic. Include an engaging introduction, 5 main points with subheadings, and a conclusion with a call to action. Use a conversational tone. Pro tip: always add context about the client. Include the target audience and whether the brand voice is professional or casual. This extra detail makes content 10 times better. For product descriptions, use this prompt. Write a 150-word product description for your product. Highlight benefits, address pain points, include a call to action. Save these prompts, you'll use them daily. Step 4. Create your Fiverr profile. Go to fiverr.com and click Become a Seller. Add a professional photo and write a bio highlighting your skills. Create your first gig with this title. I will write SEO blog posts and articles using AI assistance. Being transparent about AI builds trust. Many clients specifically want AI-assisted content. Price at $20 to $50 per article to start. Competitive enough to get orders, profitable enough to be worth your time. Step 5. Optimize your gig. Use ChatGPT to write your gig description. Ask it to write a Fiverr gig description for AI-assisted content writing that highlights fast delivery, SEO optimization, and unlimited revisions. Create eye-catching images with Canva. Add tags like blog writing, SEO content, article writing, and copywriting. Offer 24-hour rush delivery for an extra fee. Step 6. Deliver quality work. When you get an order, use ChatGPT for the first draft. But never send raw AI output to clients. Always edit before delivering. Read it aloud and fix anything robotic. Add your own insights and examples. Check facts and run through Grammarly. Format with headings and bullet points. This 15 minutes of editing separates $20 freelancers from $200 freelancers. Quality gets you 5-star reviews. Reviews get you more clients. Step 7. Scale to $100 per day. Here's the math. At $20 per article, you need 5 orders daily to hit $100. At $50 per article, you need just 2 orders daily. At $100 per article, you only need 1 order. To get more orders, deliver exceptional work for 5-star reviews. Respond to inquiries quickly. Offer package deals like 3 articles for $50. Upsell existing happy clients. As reviews build, raise your prices gradually. Top sellers charge $200 to $500 per article. That's $100 per day from just one order. Step 8. Expand your services. Once you're consistent, add more services. Social media packages at 30 posts for $150. Email newsletters at $50 to $150 each. Website copy at $100 to $300 per page. Product descriptions in bulk packages. Each service is a new income stream. Some freelancers scale this into agencies making $10,000 or more per month. Quick recap. Step 1. Choose content writing. Step 2. Set up free ChatGPT. Step 3. Master effective prompts. Step 4. Create Fiverr profile. Step 5. Optimize your gig. Step 6. Deliver quality work. Step 7. Scale to $100 per day. Step 8. Expand services. That's how to make $100 per day with ChatGPT. $100 daily is $3,000 per month. $36,000 per year. From a free tool in your laptop. Start today. Your first order could come within 24 hours. Subscribe for more AI money-making tutorials. Comment "I'm starting" if you're taking action. See you in the next video.